Hey there, Viso Pereira here, and I promise not to take up too much of your time. I'd appreciate the opportunity, right now, to show you how to boost link success rate and VPM in GSA Search Engine Ranker. I don't know about you, but I've never been a fan of having to deal with low LPM and lack of number of verified in GCA Search Engine Ranker. You work too hard to be wasting time on things that aren't pushing you forward, so let's skip over the guesswork and start getting you results. These days, I am able to run GCA Search Engine Ranker with maximum power of LPM and VPM and cut down monthly payments for Google Pass proxies and verified lists. But before I saw any success, I spent a lot of time in the trenches. I was constantly worried about what would happen next. And it's no wonder, considering I didn't know how to use advanced SEO tools and scrapers, and I didn't have a ton of money to invest in subscription-based monthly verified list services. But that's before I discovered what I'm about to let you in on. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that eventually you'll be able to dig yourself out too. I just want to save you from the grief that you'll likely go through. That's why I'd like to invite you inside SER Verified Lists. SER Verified Lists is a service that will show you how to boost GCA Search Engine Ranker performances and skyrocket rankings. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I care to release this service to you? It's simple. I'd like to make money. I know that's pretty blunt, but I'm a straightforward to the point kind of person, and that's exactly what you can expect from SER Verified Lists too. No fluff, just results. And besides, does it really matter if I make a bit of money? Especially since this system will not only save you a ton of time, it will be a huge advantage to you. Why, you ask? Well, you'll benefit from adding thousands of SER verified targets every single day. This is good for you because you can sync your GSA Search Engine Ranker with the unlimited number of verified targets in a matter of seconds. High quality contextual verified targets. This is important because when you use GCA Search Engine Ranker for your campaigns, you know how important it is to have high quality contextual backlinks. Boost GCA SER VPM counter and LPM counter. This is big because our targets are refreshed every 5 hours, and GCA Search Engine Ranker never run out without verified targets to post. Our targets are unique and no duplicates. This is a good thing because our targets never load up your GCA Search Engine Ranker with duplicates. Affordable pricing plan. This is great because you can pay monthly or yearly or even lifetime. Now, to be honest with you, you could invest in all tools and waste time on scraping every day, but you'd be looking at spending at least $1,000. Don't worry, I'm going to save you some money today too. In fact, I'm even going to sweeten the deal. So when you grab your copy of SER Verified Lists today, you'll get some amazing bonuses completely free, including high-quality 5-tier GCA Search Engine Ranker project template. This will help you create GCA SER campaign in just a few clicks without hassles. Daily real-time updated GCA SER Verified Target Pool. This will help you sync access to millions of fresh GCA Search Engine Ranker verified targets. Support Desk. We always support our clients. Doesn't matter even if it's a one-time fee service. But I should warn you, there is a catch on securing your copy of SER Verified Lists. We will only be selling 800 copies. This is because we only have a limited amount of time to dedicate to each member, and to ensure high-quality attention, we're limiting group size. Because of the limited nature to this offer, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. So click the buy button now. Again, I'm Viso Pereira, and I'm incredibly excited for you to jump in and get started. Talk to you soon.